Hello guys, it's Daniel here, and today we'll be talking about green screen. Yes, green screen. I know some of you might be familiar with the term green screen, and to some of us we might be hearing it for the first time, but I'm sure we've seen it before, but maybe we don't know what it is. Well, to the best of my knowledge, I would say green screen, sometimes also called chroma key or chroma keying, is a visual effect. So you can use it. It's a visual effect that can be used to merge two images or video streams together based on color. So simply put, you can use it to merge two images together or videos. So something like this.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
So that is what a green screen is, and today I'll be showing you how to use characters in Plotagon Studio as green screen, whereby you can match them onto any of your video or any of your images. So without further philandering, let's dive into it. So we are in Plotagon. What we want to do is we want to create a video, and then we want to go to our scene. The two green screens we can use here is the green screen scene, and there is one called the green room. So you can use any of them. You can try both of them out to see which one works best for you. Let's see the green room first and select our actor. So this is how it works. Anything that I do in this video and I process it out, I can use it in any other video. I can just, it's as simple as just putting it on top of the video and removing this green background. So that is just how it works. So let's say, okay, so if I should save this now, that means I can import it on any other video, and I will also show you how you can use the green screen on any of your videos. So we are done with the green room. Let's try the green screen and see. The green screen, okay, they're almost the same, just that this one is more static rather than that one that has lots of wild shot and shot and shot and shot. So you can just keep on adding more expression. I can keep adding more and more expression, and if I need it to say anything, I can type it there or record my voice. So that is just how it works. So I'll save this now, and we'll move into our second app, which will be how we can import our green screen on any of our videos. So the second application we'll be using is KineMaster. If you're on mobile, there are lots of applications you can use, lots of video editing applications you can use. We have Not Video, we have Viva Video, we have KineMaster, and if you're on PC, you can use Premiere Pro, Wondershare Filmora, Sony Vegas. So anyone that appeals to you, you can use. Then don't forget, the terms differ on each application. On some you see green screen, and on some you see chroma key. But on KineMaster, let me show you how it is done. And don't forget, you can download your green screen template online. Check YouTube, there are some non-copyright green screen templates that you can use to make your video look more professional and just to add effect to your video. So now I'll go to, let's just choose any aspect ratio. So like I said, you can use it on pictures and you can also use it on your video. So let me just select this picture. So this is what you want to do. You want to go to layer, then you want to click on media, select your green screen, and as you can see, it is positioned in front of our image. So what you want to do, let me zoom it. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to click on it, and you want to select chroma key. Please, the interface of our KineMaster might differ, but I will leave the link of this my own KineMaster in the description below, so you can use it if you want. I love the red theme. So you want to enable, and as you can see, the green has disappeared. As simple as that. But the thing is, we don't have just one green, we have lots of green. So from your template, you might download the template whereby they will be using a darker green or a light green. So what you can do is you can adjust the parameters here, so that will help you to fade it more, darken or brighten your green screen. And as you can see, if you notice here, the Plotagon watermark, it is turning more green.
God's kid on the tune.
And as you can see, the green is coming back a little bit. Let's leave it like that and change this one too. As you can see, it is coming back. So this is kind of okay for me. Before and after. Yeah. So what you want to do is you can play with all these options here. We have detail curve, we have show mask, we have detail curve. If you know what you are doing, you can play with them. So I can decide to cut this off. Them to the left. Bring this back. And if I play it, this is what we'll be getting. You can reposition it also. You can change the position. You can make it more big. You can also rotate it, so you can put it anywhere you want to put it. So let's play that and see. Then don't forget, you can also add your music if you want. So that is how to add it on your image, and if you want to add it on your video, it's the same process. Let's go back. So I'll select this one. This is one guy beating the hell out of me on Fight Night. So let me pause this, and if you want to add, you just want to go to your layout, media, you want to select your green screen. As simple as that. You can adjust it as usual. You can adjust. I want it to start from here, so if you don't know how to use KineMaster, I have a video on that, and I will link it here. So that's done. Then I want to move it forward. So click on it, and you want to go to chroma key. Then you just want to enable it. As simple as that. As simple as that. And if I play this, this is what we'll get. Don't forget, you can adjust it. This can serve as my commentator if I really want to go into it. So save. So yes, that is how you can add green screen to your video using KineMaster and Plotagon Story. I hope you enjoy it. If there's any question you have, I'm always in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer you. And till next time I come your way, don't forget to subscribe, as this will help me keep growing. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.